Hello, I'm James from Merlin Archery, and today we're going to look at fitting a Mybo Quick Detach system to your bow. So the Quick Detachers on their own come like this, just a simple little device. We have to take the screw out the front of it to start with. This is the screw that's going to hold it onto the bow. It comes with two washers, a flat washer and a spring washer. The flat washer needs to come off this screw, and the nugget needs to come out of the Quick Detach. The spring washer stays on the screw and goes inside the Quick Detach unit and drops all the way through. And that then quite simply screws onto the front of your bow. Like that. The plate washer then drops onto the end of the stabiliser thread, and the Quick Detach bit screws on to the end. That's then easy to drop into the Quick Detach and secure. Should then only need a quarter turn to remove it. The Mybo Q3 and Batwing V-bars work in the same way, except in this instance the screw is already installed in the V-bar. If you remove those, you can see the screw and the spring washer inside there. That will attach in the same way, and we have 3 plate washers, one for each stabiliser.